The political influence of the religious right appears to be growing. Nowhere is their power more evident than Texas, where ultra-conservatives are poised to take control of the GOP. Mike Capps reports.
A pro-family rally staged in conjunction with the Republican Party's Texas State Convention.
They want to move out from the pew into the areas of public policy, and I think that's healthy.
They boast growing political clout. The Christian Coalition claims 60,000 members in Texas alone, 1.2 million nationwide. The coalition is only one of at least 10 Christian political organizations in Texas. Dallas political analyst Phil Sieb believes moderate Republicans made a strategic error.
They have dismissed the religious right as being just a collection of nuts. Well, they're not nuts, for one thing, and the moderates have underestimated the organizational skills.
Skills that forced out longtime Texas Republican Party Chairman Fred Meyer. A new party chairman will be elected this weekend from the religious right.
I would have been reelected the state chairman, but it could have been a very divisive fight.
A fight Texas Democrats savor.
And because of the right-wing radicals in your party that make you feel unwelcome, we want to tell you, we are delighted to have you.
But U.S. Senator Kay Bailey Hutchison does not believe Republicans will jump ship, despite the fact the religious right supported another Republican against Hutchison in the primaries.
But after the runoff came and I had a Democrat opponent, they came right in behind me.
Exactly. Texas gubernatorial candidate George W. Bush's father received less than full support from the religious right. But the younger Bush will not be bullied into supporting a platform he does not believe in.
I'm the person who's leading the charge, and I fully intend to be able to unite our party.
If we get into a position where people are saying, you do it my way or you leave, or you go to my church or you're not a good Republican, then we're going to have a split.
I was a Republican before I was a Christian, and so my Republican roots go very deep, and I believe that we'll come out of here this weekend with a strong conservative party.
One Texas political analyst predicts an expanding power base for the religious right. But the best method for growth, the analyst says, is continuing to transform moral and ethical values into political issues without giving the appearance of becoming a radical fringe group. Mike Capps, CNN, Fort Worth, Texas.
Haiti may try